This is Five's brand new hotel, FIVE Luxe, in Dubai on JBR Beach, and we're here for the very first opening weekend to check out this incredible hotel, so come along with us. We have made it and we're getting the car valeted as we go inside, and we can already see mad supercars outside. So we made it outside the front of the hotel, and already you can see there's a load of Lamborghinis and stuff parked outside. I'm surprised my Jimny isn't in this spare space, but we're going to head into the reception and check it out now. But there's also a Goose Island bar here that we're going to check out later out the front, and this is literally in the middle of JBR. So we're just waiting to check in. There's a little bit of a queue, but we can sit on these chairs and relax. But the lobby is massive, modern, open, light. I'm really excited to stay here. It looks epic. So we came early at 12 o'clock, so we can't check in just yet because the room's not ready, because you're supposed to check in at 3, but we're allowed to use the facility. So we're going to go and check out the pool for the first time. The pool is actually by Pasha, so everything's themed with the Pasha cherries everywhere and in red, and it looks epic. We're going to find ourselves a sunbed. So we managed to find a bed. You can sit anywhere in this upper area, but the area down there is actually a VIP area with minimum spend and stuff, but everything's branded in the Pasha cherry, and this whole area here looks like a mini Five on the Palm. So we spent most of the time by the really nice pool there. They have this massive LED screen, which is apparently one of the biggest in the world, my friend just told me. And we had some food, we had some really nice sushi, hummus, and also some chicken. It's fairly pricey, but it's kind of expected for a really high-end luxury hotel like this. It cost us about 580 dirham for 4 cocktails, 2 coffees, and all of this food. So not terrible, but not cheap. And the food quality was amazing. Just before we check in, we're going to come down here and check out the amazing JBR Beach, which is obviously the first time a Five hotel has lived on JBR Beach. I mean, there's the one on the Palm, which we've stayed in before, but beach is a little bit strange because you've got the whole of public beach JBR here, and then like these sandbag things, and then over to the hotel. So not much of a beach, but there is a load of sunbeds and things to sit on. Let's go and check out the room. So we've just made it into our room, and already it's looking incredible. Let me give you a little room tour. So you start off with this little kitchen area here, so you can do some cooking and things, which we will not be doing. And then you walk into this little hallway, big mirror. You have this area here behind the bed where it's a full-blown wardrobe and a little area to get ready, and another mirror at the other end there. Then as you come into the room, you have this incredible view that I'll show you in a second. And now it also happens to be mine and Ev's anniversary, so we told them it was our anniversary and they gave us a little cake, and there's also a bottle of champagne, which I think maybe because of the anniversary. So pro tip, always say it's your anniversary. We always do this when we stay at a hotel, but this time it's actually true for once. Then you have this massive bed behind me with one of those TVs that come up and down, and also this little living area over here. We've got this sort of corner unit. We thought we were supposed to have a balcony, but there was some trouble at check-in and we've basically given up now. We're still blown away by these incredible views of JBR. Have a look at this. You can even see the Royal Atlantis, Dubai Harbour. We're next door to Le Meridian, where we had Christmas dinner last year. And you can even see McDonald's in JBR just there, which is perfect. As always with Five hotels, everything is super aesthetic, all these really modern finishings and tiles across the floor and everything. So always impressed. But most importantly, let's see the bathroom. So there's quite a big bathroom in here. You've got his and hers sinks, and also a toilet, a shower, and a bath. And I just noticed in the bath, there is actually a little TV to be able to watch stuff while you're in the bath, which is super cool. So overall, the room is, I would say, 10 out of 10. Let's crack the champagne open.
So go.
Oh my God.
Quite good, isn't it?
It's really good. Where does that go?
In the bathroom.
Thank you, Five. Okay, I just found the corkscrew. It landed in the kitchen. Okay, so I've been running around a little bit more, but the thing I love about these new Dubai hotels that are being built at the moment is the attention to detail. And this like dental kit is in like the nice Five branding. You've got nice flowers everywhere. Even the taps are really posh, hot and cold. Everything is just very, very fancy and nice. And even, look what I just found. So there's this big mirror and I was like, okay, nice big mirror to look. But it turns out it's actually on hinges. Whoa. To hide the IT cabinet, which could be ugly in some hotel rooms. So big win for Five. And the room is massive. When I tell you this is the most comfortable bathrobe we've ever been in, we are telling the truth.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So now, what are we doing now?
We're going to relax. And then we're going to go for dinner at Goose Island.
Which I'm excited for because it's still happy hour until 8 PM and they do loads of really nice craft beers and things. So it's now night time and we are heading to Goose Island for food, and this is why it takes so long because she just keeps getting ready for hours and I'm just here wanting to go for dinner. Okay, fit check. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Zara.
Oh, I have a Jacquemus shirt. We're now fashion people because we stay at the Five. Let's go.
Got the key.
No, I don't have the key.
Go get the key.
I don't have the.
I don't have the keys.
1 second. I don't have the key.
I don't have.
I don't have the key.
Go get the key, Bradley.
Okay. Oh, we're here. So we've made it into Goose Island and we've ordered dinner. We've actually ordered a few pork dishes, which is actually available in Goose Island. Anyway, the food looks amazing.
Good morning. We went to Goose Island last night. It was very good. The food was good. A little bit small of a bar and not much going on. And then there wasn't too many other bar options around in this hotel compared to like Five on the Palm or whatever. So we came back, slept in this really comfortable bed and watched some TV on the really cool screen here. Now it's time to check out the breakfast, which is always one of our favorite parts of the hotels.
Put that dish in your mouth.
So breakfast is really good, lots of tasty stuff. Not a lot of options, but I think maybe because the last breakfast buffet we did in a hotel was actually at the Royal Atlantis, which was next level. So everything else in comparison doesn't seem so good. So you can check that out in a video up here as well. What do you think of the breakfast?
6 out of 10.
6 out, wow. I'd give it like an 8 out of 10. It's very good, it is still very good. Okay, we're gonna go and sit by the pool one last time. So we came down for breakfast pretty early at like 9 o'clock and we've finished now at 10 o'clock and it's really busy. There's a queue to get in, so try and get down early if you can. And also, right now, every single sunbed is free because it is so early. So one strange thing about this hotel is it is actually family friendly. Normally, Five hotels are like adult only party hotels like the one on the Palm, but this is a very different vibe. Families are allowed. There is still drinking and like VIP areas and things, but it's a little bit of a weird vibe, but still luxury, very nice and very nice to relax, especially being on JBR with everything nearby. And you can see I've got the whole pool to myself at 10 AM in the morning. So overall we've had a really nice stay, but it's not over just yet. We've got late checkout at 2 o'clock and then we're heading home. Can we just check out the gym?
Yes, certainly.
So just before leaving, we've stopped on level 6 where the gym is, and it's incredible. It has everything you could possibly want with insane views. How does it work? Oh. There's even this little activity bit out here. Wait, watch this. Then when you're in the gym, you're actually overlooking the main pool over here. Okay, very impressive. I wish we actually used the gym now. And even you get these really cool views of JBR and the Ain Dubai behind me. And just like that, we have made it home after a very nice, short and sweet stay at the FIVE Luxe Hotel. Definitely recommended. It didn't feel like there was much of an atmosphere or a vibe. I think it's because the hotel has just opened. The room was incredible. The aesthetics of everywhere was really nice, and we did enjoy our stay. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of insight into what it is like in this brand new hotel. But apart from that, we spend our time in Dubai here trying out all these hotels and activities and things, so make sure to check out some of my other videos. And that is about it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you somewhere in Dubai next time. Boom.